Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you today. So, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Chao Jiang, this one. I'm a graduate student in Fujian University of Technology. Today, I would like to talk to you about the paper, Match Ontologies through Siamese Neural Network. Reporter is me, Chao Jiang. The contents of the presentation is divided into three parts. The first is preliminary. The second is the methodology. The finally is the experiment. So, let's start with some basic concepts, i.e. preliminary. This part is about ontology and ontology match. Figure 1 shows an example of two ontologies and their alignment. Two ontologies, A and B, counter a number of concepts in the left and the right, respectively. In addition, the elements of rounded rectangles are classes, e.g. car, things, car, plane, wind, vehicle, are classes. Object, means of transport, wind, wheeled, unwheeled, car, train, aeroplane, are classes. In addition, one-way arrow is the object property, e.g. is a part of, heads are object properties. Furthermore, the bidirection connector is a correspondence. For example, vehicle in ontology A and the means of transport in ontology B are connected by the bidirection connect to form a correspondence, and all the correspondence is a alignment. So this part is about performance matrix. The core problem of ontology matching process is how to reduce the number of incorrect correspondences and building more correct correspondences. Hence, several evaluation metrics are given to assess the quality of the alignments. Generally, precision, recall, and F-measure are utilized to evaluate the quality of matching results. When precision is equal to 1, that's all matching correspondences are correct. And when recall is equal to 1, all correct correspondences are found. And if measure is a harmonic mean of precision and recall. So this part is about the performance metrics. Generally, precision, recall, and F-measure are utilized to evaluate the quality of matching results. So the second part is the methodology. In this study, the SNN-based OMT means ontology matching technique. SNN is the Siamese neural network, and the figure 2 shows the framework of the SNN-based OMT, which is proposed to solve the concept heterogeneity problem. And firstly, the concept's information is transformed as a numeric vector to feed the networks by using the character embedding. Each dimension is 300, and then after that, the trained SNN is used to calculate the similarity of entities, and after it is necessary to filter the alignment through a threshold. Finally, the alignment refinement method is utilized to further improve the alignment quality. A Siamese neural network is an artificial neural network that uses the same weights while working in tandem on two different input vectors to compute comparable output vectors. The distance-based similarity value of two concepts can be calculated through feature 1 and feature 2, which shows in Formula 4 and Formula 5. In particular, the Adam optimizer and the contrastive loss are adopted and to optimize the two same networks, where n is the number of samples, margin is the margin value, yi is the sample type, that yi equals 1, representing the positive sample, and yi equals 0, denoting the negative sample. Di is the distance through the Formula 4. This part is about alignment determination. In this study, a logic reasoning approach is utilized that, first, the correspondences are sorted by descending. Second, the correspondence with the greatest similarity is selected. Finally, the rest correspondences are chosen one by one if it doesn't conflict with the previous correspondence. Figure 3 shows an example of consistent correspondences. The third part is experiment. This part is about dataset. Table E. Table 1 shows the suicide statement on benchmark testing case. 1xx its suicide statement is two same ontologies. 1xx two ontologies with different lexical, linguistic, or structure characters. 3xx. They are the real ontologies. And this part is about comparison. Table 2 shows the comparison among SNN-based OMT and OES OMTs. OES OMTs, XMAP, and Phenol family, LogMap family, Nini, GirlMatch, AML. In terms of the average matching results quality, it can be seen that the SNN-based OMT its recall, precision, F-measure, and F-measure per second are better than other OMTs, which shows that SNN-based OMT outperforms the state-of-the-art OMTs. The SNN-based OMT is 0.88. So, thank you very much.